Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. It is windy, overcast. Yeah, we're about to get more rain, and yeah, the weather is ugly. But check that out, y'all. This is a Romanesco. She's growing in this 17 gallon with some of her friends, her family members. She got some mustards and kales in here with her. But yeah, it's just overcast and yeah. So I'm not going to stay in my garden for a long time today. I'm gonna harvest some of this kohlrabi and I'm gonna go inside and cook it. And I'm gonna eat. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So there's one more thing I want to share with you all too. My grow table. Let me share. So this is my grow table. This is some leeks I regrowed. They've been out here. And this is some germination of some peppers right here and here. And that's the only two have come up so far. But you know, they're peppers. That's what they do. And they've been right here, but you know, that's the way it goes. And my corn salad still looks good. I've been eating it. It's really good, y'all. It's really good. Very good. Yeah. And of course, this is artichokes. Yeah. And I need to peel off some of these leaves because, yeah, they're just getting so big in here. You see. So I'm gonna go and harvest this kohlrabi. Let's go get it. So I think this is the kohlrabi I'm gonna harvest today, and I'm thinking I have about maybe about 20 more kohlrabis, maybe 19 or 20 left in the garden. But I'm gonna get this one. There's another one right there. I'm not gonna get her today. But we don't get her. So let me get her up. So there she is. So I'm gonna clean her up and we're gonna cook her. Yay! Kohlrabi. Kohlrabi. So this is one of my Brussels sprouts in the raised bed. Yeah. She doing good. Yep. And this is the Brussels sprout in the truck rim. Yeah. They doing really good. Yeah. That's a botanical interest seed. Yeah, she's really pretty. And the lettuce. This lettuce is, it's wonderful. And here is my onions that I dropped. Yeah, everything blowing all over in the garden. But yeah, these are my onions and they're doing well. Now, they have, you could see that they look kind of dry out here. It's because I have been gone from my house for a couple of days. So everything is dry back here, right? Yeah, but they're doing well. I knew that everything was going to do well just a couple of days that I was going to be gone. I could have had Jada to come back here and water everybody, but I think they did fine. They're going to make it through, so yeah. So we're going to have rain tonight, so I'm not going to give them any water. I gave a couple of plants some water. They look like, you know, you have these plants that's it's like, please give me some water, I'm thirsty. So you go ahead on and give her some, you know. But this is that ruby red Swiss chard. This plant is just so beautiful. I love it. I love this plant. So yeah, she is really cool. So yeah. And this is, I have 2 barrels of elephant garlic, and this is one. As you can see, a lot of wind and cold, and have a lot of her leaves yellow at the end. So I'm gonna let this weather pass, and then I'm gonna give all of these babies some 511, every one of them, because they all look like they could use some 511. But yeah, I'm just gonna take a lot of those dead leaves off, because we know if you don't take those dead leaves off, she will try to save them, use all kind of energy to try to save that stuff. So I'm just taking them off, and when the weather passes, I'm going to give everyone some super juice and 511. Yeah. And that's what I've taken off of them. But then I've taken a lot of leaves off a lot of the plants, and yes, this is what I've done. I take them and put them around some of my trees, my fruit trees. So this is the LSU purple. So I gave everybody some of those leaves. Yeah, they all gonna get some. So, oh, she looks good, don't she? Yeah. Looks like a harvest coming soon from that mama. Looks really good. But overall, all of my plants are doing really, really good. My fall vegetable, my fall garden has really done well this past season, and I will have lots and lots of vegetables still in my garden into the spring. So. And that's the way it usually is here in my Zone 9 garden, right? So, yeah, we doing good. We doing good. All right, everyone, I'm inside. And this, of course, is one of my broccoli romanescos. Yeah, she's been in the refrigerator. So now I'm going to cut her up. Boom. Look like a little Christmas tree, huh? She does. But I'm just gonna take it apart. Alright, family, so this is my chicken. I'm going to put it in the air fryer, but I'm going to cover it up first. I'm just going to eyeball this thing, y'all. But I need it covered up first. And I'm going to put it in my air fryer. Yeah. So here's my my vegetables. I'm going to cut up some carrots and put in here also. And we're going to stir fry them. Well, I wanted to roast them, but I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see. All right, family, this is my meal. Ooh, y'all, it's been a busy day, but this is my meal. So I have some roasted carrots and kohlrabi and Romanesco. mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This is some greens I cooked with some smoked turkey wings in it. Now, I didn't have any more boxes of Jiffy Mix. So, this fried bread, my grandmother used to call it whole cake. It's cornmeal with flour. If I eat greens, I have to have some kind of cornbread with it. You know what I'm saying? And of course, this is my chicken breast. And the Romanesco is so good. Lots of onions and peppers on it. Carrots. Oh my God. Water. That's what I'm drinking today, water. I need it. All right. I hope you'll have a beautiful day. I hope all is well with you and your families. I'm going to knock this out. All right, family. Later, y'all.